What's up everybody on YouTube? It is YoManAlberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be another MJ Monday. Now this MJ Monday is going to be a little bit special, a little bit different. You guys have previously seen me do this before, as I have already made my own Jordan 1 in the past. If you guys haven't seen that video, right here is going to be an ad card. You guys can click that video and see the first one I ever made. Now today is going to be on the second one I ever made. We have more coming here in the future, so definitely subscribe if you guys want to see that. But here it is. It's a beauty. It's the double swoosher. I'm still struggling to find out what I want to call it. If you guys have some names, definitely drop it in the comment section below, but I'm still figuring it out. Don't know what to call it. Okay, so really quickly guys, I'm going to show you some on feet b-roll of the sneaker. If you guys want to see some more of the sneaker, of the on feet, I'll do an ad card right up here up top where you can actually watch a longer in-depth on feet of this sneaker itself. But for right now, I'm just going to show you guys a small preview of it. So some information about the sneaker. It basically took me 4 days to construct this entire sneaker. I was working day to night grinding on it. It wasn't too bad. I learned a lot using these new patterns. These aren't the normal patterns I used before. These are the 1985 Jordan 1 versions made by Xlar, I hope I'm saying that right. I believe they're a Chinese company. They were very expensive patterns, about $500. I will say that was a lot of money, and you guys don't need to do that, but I did like these acrylic patterns, and that's why I went for these specifically. Now, like I said, it's a new pattern. I wasn't familiar with it, so there are some parts that are flawed, as I wasn't too sure what to do with this pattern, as it wasn't the pattern I'm used to using. Now, as far as the leather that I did use right here for this build, it was actually all from Tandy leather. I've been using them for basically all my projects in general and all my tools really. So Tandy leather, if you're watching this, definitely give me a sponsorship, or I don't know, partnership. Reach out to me. I'd love to keep using you guys and promoting you. But anyways, because it's not sponsored, guys, keep that in mind. But anyways, as far as the leather right here, some of the leather was actually kind of thin, so when I was skiving it, some of it did get ripped, so I actually ended up not skiving most of the sneaker, but the leather was actually nice and thin, so it worked out anyways. Now with this sneaker, that was different from the last sneakers. I actually did some heat transfer with some black vinyl, or maybe it's not even vinyl, I don't even know what to say what this is, but basically I did some black transfer with the Wings logo and the Nike Air logo, and this took me a long time to perfect, but not even really perfect it. It was still very hard to actually make this go, but you can see it didn't turn out too bad at all. Obviously, I'm still learning how to make sneakers, and you can still see there are some flaws regarding the back heel tab. Some things need to be retouched up, and just also from the future, I know where to not mess up and what to do to improve. You can even see right here on the sole, I did kind of rush it and actually cut it a little bit, and you can see where the stitching is a little bit messed up due to the rip in the sole on the toe box. So keep that in mind, guys. Take your time when you're doing this. You do not want to rush this process. You can also see on the top of this Air Jordan 1 that it's not too foamy, as there's not padding on the upper half, only on the bottom half, as the 85 is different from the retros. Now, as far as the colorway, I don't have the exact colors, but I'm just going to call this a coral, salmon, and a light pink colorway with Italian leather, so you know it's really good quality. But I'm going to stop talking, guys, and let you guys watch the rest of the build video. Hope you enjoy it.
I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the fire's clear. All my niggas on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game, I put a stock in my name, but I give a fuck about the fame. I took a bite of the life and it tastes so exquisite, it feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid, I'm not on no simp shit. Won't stop to the youngest he dreams, wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the fuck is your friendship? I need the loyalty, back up the royalty, I give a fuck if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big wave at your shoreline so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas, nitro with a new pen, go at ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, hey, look, going, yeah. I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah. Crazy, yeah, look, going, crazy, wave, hey, look, going, yeah. I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah. Crazy, yeah, look, going, crazy, wave. Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work and you can find me where that turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me, showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact. Real tricky, quick to flip a pretty penny to a thick stack, quick stat. Think fast and I talk real. I give a fuck about how they feel. Me and Zay just dropped the propane and it sounded like mass appeal. For my dog, I'ma ride to the wheels kill. Got his hand on the hammer, so keep it legit. I've been the man with the blueprint, I'm gon' stop till I own every brick. I used to lay out in the line just to feel the world spin on its axis. Now I got the access and the last laugh, got it off of the passion. I keep it 100 on the dash now that we got us some traction. Slick talker, I'm a showstopper, you are not solid. Tread cautious, couldn't go a mile in my toe boxes. Stun the shade with the Visine, light it up and bring the vibe in. Lime tint, color spot beam on me, I'm a star every night lit, ultraviolet. Ayy. I told her make sure that phone is on silent so we know what the vibe is. Take a look in my iris, I think she know that I'm high risk. I never know what the time is, I never know where my mind went. Ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that, ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. It's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that I used to toss a coin in the waterfalls, in the wishing well. Now I get plenty coin, I'm self-made, you ain't gotta wish me well. You ain't like me then, but I guess it's past tense, cause you tapped in. You was never who you said, I see the facade when looking, they really be that quick to tell. My guard up, I ain't taking nails, if it's not in my favor, won't sign the deal. I got the royalty in the mail, I got authority in the field. Take a look in my iris, I be precise with the timing. I move on a touch, that's the high risk, I never know where my mind went. Ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that, ayy, I got a lot on my plate, I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. Yeah. Look, it's a lot on my mind, and I got an eye on the prize, and I'ma make sure that we straight. I'ma make sure that. I wanna I need a tag, yeah. I wanna bag, yeah. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows until the flight leaves. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that got strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your... Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves, but still doubting themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toes, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to give a wet clothes. On the vapor wave to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Flex up. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Yeah. Flex up. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. I need a pay. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Okay. Ayy, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they claiming the lines until I'm goated, I'm going off. Loyal to my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that doja, what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, they showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the...
Okay guys, come back from that video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up as it does help me up in the algorithms. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe as I do post Monday and Thursdays. And love to see you guys here on the next video. Now, like I said, if you guys want to see the on feet in full, ad card up here somewhere if it's not already posted. Definitely check that out if you want to see some more of that sneaker in itself. And also guys, follow me on Instagram at YoManAlberto, where I do post daily content regarding sneakers, streetwear, outfits, hats, all that good stuff, all in one great daily content platform. So definitely follow me there if you guys want to see some more stuff. But like I said guys, if you want to see the first build video, ad card up here and you guys can see that. But that's gonna do it for me guys. Stay fresh, stay fly, I'm out.